Okay, this is the main page of OpenStreetMap. Is the most important crowd map service online that we can find. We can mapping or we can download open data from this type of page. To search something is very simple. We can search, I don't know, Rome here in the main tab, and of course the system searching for us the city that we want to explore or we want to map. Now we have to go to Santiago de Compostela. That is the city of our exercise today, and to download or to of course change something, we have to log in. If we haven't the email address or username registered, and if we haven't the password, we have to register now. It's very quite simple. In alternatively, we can use a third party to log in. Google, Facebook, GitHub, Wikipedia, etc. This is my email address to log in, and pushing login we enter into a quite similar view of our map, but is very different. The center of the city of Santiago de Compostela is well mapped and is very full of data. Is not a rule. It's not normal to find a very mapped city like Santiago de Compostela. That city have all the informations inside because it's a very touristic, it's a very important place of the northern Spain. Sometimes we haven't all these elements, we haven't all these things, data on the map, and we have to map it. But now it's very simple to use this type of map and to export that into our computer. It's simple because we can push on export, and we can manually select the area to download. We have to download the area of this center part of the city to use it inside the QGIS. QGIS is the system that we use for mapping and for change the mapping datasets and for make our cartography for this type of items, for touristic items, etc. Now, once we manually choose the area for download, we can push on export, and then you can see that the system download for us map.osm. Is a very simple format for mapping, map.osm, and it is the right file choice to map something.